In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Figma icon library. We'll start by bringing icons into your file with a plugin. Then standardize their size and structure. Turn them into components and finally publish them as a shared library your team can use with confidence. Open your design in Figma, then click the Action button in the bottom center to open the Plugins browser. Switch to the Plugins tab and search for an icon plugin such as Iconify, Font Awesome Icons, Official, or Material Design Icons. Some plugins may prompt you to sign in or connect an account. Only proceed through official prompts and never share any keys or private details. Click Install, then run to launch the plugin. With the plugin open, use its search and browsing tools to explore available sets and preview styles. Select the icons you need and, if the plugin allows, set the color, size, and stroke weight before importing. Choose a common base like 24 pixels so everything starts from a consistent foundation. Then import the icons to your canvas. Now, standardize each icon. Place every icon inside a 24 by 24 pixel frame, align it to the center, and keep consistent padding on all sides for visual balance. Make sure strokes are the same weight across similar icons and that paths sit on whole pixels to avoid blur. This consistency is what makes your library feel polished and dependable. Next, rename layers. Inside each icon's frame, select the main vector layer and give it the same name across all icons, such as icon. This small step ensures color overrides work properly. Once you convert icons into components and make search and styling more reliable. Create components from your icons. Select all the icon frames and use the Create Multiple Components option in the toolbar to speed things up. Then rename the components clearly so they're organized in the Assets panel and easy to find later. Use concise, searchable names that reflect the icon's purpose. Time to publish the library. Move all of your organized icon components onto a dedicated page labeled Icons. Open the Assets panel. Click the library icon shaped like a book, and note that publishing libraries requires a professional plan. In the library modal, publish the current file as a shared library for your team. Teammates can enable the library in their own files and drag instances of your standardized icons from the Assets panel. And updates to your main components will flow through to those instances. That's your complete workflow. Thanks for watching.